Hello everyone! For today's video, let's talk about channel monetization 2022 and Adsense error. So this is my channel, a newly monetized channel last night, August 8, 2022. So I received an important notification about my channel. You have been accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. Next, we will proceed to monetization. So, channel monetization, there's an overview, important things to know. Introduction, so if you want to read more, you can click Learn More. Earning with ads. So, YouTube Partner Program, Earnings Overview. And Earning with Ads. Earn and engage with fans. See your earnings. And then accessing support. Okay, accessing support, direct chat and email support. So if you want to read more, just click learn more, each of them. So after reading the important notifications, overview about a newly monetized channel, you can click supers. So you can own your supers. Get started. And then you will read the features here. Then your full name here, your email address. If you don't have a company, just put NA, and then you will check this box, and then you will click accept after checking the box here. This is all the steps when you apply channel monetization on YouTube. So step 1, review partner program terms. So you need to read all the program terms and you need to accept. For the step 2, sign up for Google Adsense. So you can sign up a Google Adsense if you don't have a Google Adsense. So if you have an existing Google Adsense account, you can use your existing Google Adsense account. So in my case, during the application, I encountered error for the step 2. It says duplicate Google Adsense. So there are two options only, fix AdSense and change association. So I fix that. I choose change association, and then I add my existing Google AdSense, and then it was solved the problem. For the step 3, your channel will be reviewed by YouTube. So I apply August 5, Friday afternoon, and I was approved Monday, August 8, around 10 p.m. in the evening. So this notification pop up during I log in my channel. For those who wants to apply for channel monetization on YouTube, I advise you will apply during weekdays, not weekends, because I think Satsan, they don't have enough time to check your application. I think they also rest on that days, Saturday and Sunday. Then one thing is, after processing your application for monetization, it's better to send also feedback to YouTube. So because you will screenshot your 365 days, your subscribers, your channel, and then your watch hour. So if you don't have any violation, I think your channel will be monetized as soon as possible. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.